Hello my dear students and welcome back again. Today I am going to start class 8th English grammar 10th chapter, and that is the correct use of preposition. First of all, a preposition is a word placed before a noun or pronoun. It shows what relationship that noun or pronoun has with some other word and phrase. Now in this exercise 10.1, complete this time expression with at, on, in. In each blank we fill preposition at, on, in. So first one is dash night. In this statement we use at because when we talk about a parts of day we take a at preposition. Second, dash 1987. We use in because in is used when something is happen. Third, dash 11:15, and the answer is at because it shows the exact time. Whenever the exact time, festivals or weekend and the parts of day is used, we fill at preposition. Fourth, dash winter. In this statement we use in preposition because a name of month or year come, so we fill in. Next, dash spring. In this statement in preposition is used. 6 dash 6 June. We fill on because whenever a name, day or a date included, we take on preposition. Next one, 7th dash summer, and the answer is in. 8th dash 24 May, and the answer is on. 9th dash Christmas. In this statement we fill at or in, whatever you like. You can fill between at or on. Because festival and weekend name we use at, and also a name of day we fill on, so at, on both are right. Next, dash September, and the answer is in. 11 dash Wednesday, and the answer is on. 12th dash the evening, and the answer is in. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do this question in your book. Now we have exercise 10.2. Question number first. Open your book and look at the picture of page number 83, John's room, and fill in the blanks with suitable preposition of place. According to the pictures, we can fill the suitable preposition in each blank. So let's start. Question number first. The window is dash the door, and the answer is opposite. When the preposition of the place we use opposite. Second, the wardrobe is dash the window, and the correct answer is near. Third, John's clothes are dash the wardrobe, and the answer is in. Fourth, you can see some shoes dash the bed, and the correct answer is under. We use under because it indicates a position immediately to one side of something. Fifth, the table is dash the bed and the door, and the correct answer is between. We use between because it indicates something is in the middle of two or other things. Next one is there is a tennis racket dash the wardrobe, and the correct answer is behind. Next, his books are on the shelf dash the window, and the answer is below. Next one, the lamp is dash the table dash the bed, and the correct answer is on and beside. We use on for the things at rest, so we take on. Next, John has put his coat dash the arm of the chair, and the answer is on. Then there is a poster dash the wall. In first blank we use on dash the bed. In second blank we use above. My dear student, do this question in your book. Question number second of this exercise. Choose the correct preposition for each blank, and we have a preposition into, on, at, off, up, off, into, onto, from, down, round, out of. First, he travelled dash Mumbai by train, and the correct preposition we take to because it indicates the movement from one place to another. Second, Bob is not here, he is dash his office, and the correct answer is at because it represents a exact point of space. Third, he fell dash the ladder and broke his leg, and the answer is off. Next, has your dad come back dash his office? and the correct answer is from because it indicates one place to another place. Fifth, she was sitting dash her room dash a sofa. In first blank we use in because in is used for the things at rest and on is also used for the things at rest. Next one is her hair hung dash her back dash her waist and the answer is down and to. 7. How did the child get dash the roof of the car and the answer is onto. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your book. Question number 3 of this exercise, fill in the blanks with behind, between, beside, in front of. We can take the correct preposition from behind, beside, between, in front of. First one is Bill is dash of Jane and Bob is dash Anu. So first blank we use in front of, in second blank we use behind. Second, Mary is dash Tom and Anu is dash Bob. And the first one we use behind and second one we use front of. Third, Tom is sitting dash Anu and Mary is sitting dash Bob. So the answer is beside and beside. Next one is Anu is dash Tom and Bill. Bob is dash Mary and Jane. In both of blank we use between because it indicates something is the middle of two things. Now do this question in your book. Now exercise 10.3. Question number 1. Choose the correct preposition for each blank. A. In, to, by, for, into, after, among. First, he fell dash the well. And the correct answer is into. We use into for things in motion. Second, I said it dash his face. And the answer is to. Third, she, me dash this period. And the correct answer is after. Fourth, you are very kind dash me. And the answer is to. Fifth, I am searching dash for my lost book. In this statement, we fill for because for is used as a period of time. Sixth, Chennai is dash the south of India. We use in whenever we talk about the country and the large towns, we fill in. Seventh, what is the time dash your watch? And the correct answer is by because by is used for the agent. 8. I have been standing here dash 2 hours and the correct answer is for because it represents the length of time. 9. Distribute these mangoes dash all the boys and the answer is among. Among is used whenever we talk about more than 2. My dear student, do this question in your book. B. Of, with, at, in, to, on, for. We fill these preposition in each blank. First one is he died dash Gloria and the answer is of. She is fond of music. He invited me to tea. I am tired of this job. We pray to God daily. I am not afraid of you. I wrote to him yesterday. I have run short of money. Exercise is useful for health. The teacher is angry with me. You can depend on my word. She repented of her mistakes. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do this question in your book. Question number 2 of this exercise, fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition. First, come and sit dash me and the answer is by. Second, he did not die dash Gloria and the preposition we use of. Third, he didn't deal honestly dash me. The correct preposition we use with because when we ever talk about the two person we use with. Fourth, this shopkeeper deals dash cloth and the answer is in. Fifth, you should aim dash doing your duty and the answer is at. 6. The next train will arrive dash 7 p.m. and the correct preposition is at because it referred our exact time. 7. He has spent all his life dash Kolkata and the answer is in because whenever we talk about the large cities, town and countries we use in. 8. We started dash 6 dash the morning and the answer is at and in. 9. A drawing man will catch dash a straw and the answer is at. 10. He travelled 7 miles dash 2 hours and the answer is in. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do this question in your book. Now we have question number 3 of this exercise. Rewrite each sentence correctly. First, eyes are to see. In this statement, we use the correct sentence and the correct sentence is eyes are to see with. First of all, we use with because it is represent the connection between the people and thing, and we take the preposition with at the end of the sentence, because whenever the prepositions govern as a question words, the question words with the object of preposition, the preposition is usually placed at the end of the sentence. Second, we pray God daily, and the answer is we pray to God daily. We use to because whenever we indication about one to another. Next one is he died from overwork, and the answer is he died of overwork. We use of because when we something started. Next one is he didn't listen my advice, and the answer is he didn't listen to my advice. Fifth, they invited me for dinner, and the answer is they invited me to dinner. Sixth, he prefers coffee than tea, and the answer is he prefers coffee to tea. Seventh, who is knocking the door, and the answer is who is knocking at the door. 8. There is no harm to do this, and the answer is there is no harm in doing. 9th, she is married with a doctor, and the correct sentence is she is married to a doctor. 10th, she is England these days, and the answer is she is in England. 11th, he has resigned from his job, and the answer is he has resigned his job. 12th, she resembles with her mother, she resembles her mother. 13, I shall pass in the examination, I shall pass the examination. 14, this cloth is superior than that, this cloth is superior to that. 15, we entered into the hall at time, we entered the hall. 16, a mother loves with her children, a mother loves her children. 17, good boys don't shrink from work, good boys don't shrink for work. 18, we sat under the shade of tree, we sat in the shade. 19, he does not obey to his teachers, he does not obey his teachers. 20, we reached at the station in time, we reached the station. 21, you have no need to fear from me, you have no need to fear me. 22, why don't you attend your lesson? And the answer, why don't you attend to your lesson? 23, I told to him to go to the principal. I told him to go to the principal. My dear student, the rest of the questions you have to do yourself and do these questions in your notebook. My dear student, that's all about this chapter. In this chapter, we cite about the preposition of place, preposition of time, and preposition of moment. In preposition of time, we use at an exact time, festivals, weekends, and the pass of day, and on a name day, a name part of day, and in the month of year, season, or century. And in preposition of place, we use at the exact point of space, persons, home, place, and work, study. And in use for the indicate the point whenever the area or volume something in preposition of place. I hope you all understand this chapter very well. Thank you so much.